Hi, in this video, we will compare Mangools and ContentKing. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO, and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, ContentKing is a real-time SEO auditing and monitoring platform designed to help you improve and maintain your website's search engine optimization. It provides an auditing solution that delivers a complete and real-time overview of your on-page SEO performance. SEO monitoring keeps track of everything happening on your site in real time. Stay on top of your site with ContentKing SEO alerts. Keep track of all website changes with SEO change tracking. You can see search engine activity in real time with log file analysis. ContentKing also integrates with Slack and Microsoft Teams, pushing alert notifications to your team's workspace. ContentKing offers a free plan, and paid plans start at $39 per month. If you want to use both Mangools and ContentKing for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.